So today I have an unboxing for you. This is a bag I have been dying to try, and they had a sale on, so I was able to snag it for 40% off. The brand is Rebecca Minkoff, and the bag is an Edie Crossbody. So here's the box arrived today. This took a while to get here. I think I ordered it about 3 weeks ago. It took quite a while, at the beginning of January. So they had that, sent me a code, so I was able to get it for a good discount off. I don't know why they sent me the code, but I was like, sure, I'll use it. So that's my paperwork right here, and then here it is here. It comes wrapped in tissue paper. So I'm very excited. I have seen several videos about this bag. Oh, it's small. Here it is here. And let me just take it out of the packaging. Right. Strapped in more tissue paper. Ooh, I can hear the chains already. Okay, so here it is here. Oh, this is nice. So this is leather. Oh gosh, I forget the name, the color of this. Let me have a look. Cherry wood. So this is cherry wood, and this is the crossbody. So it's not as big as the regular bag, but oh my God, this is so nice. This is so nice. So it has gunmetal hardware. Let me give you a good close up here. And little spin. It's so pretty. And it does have the chain here, so you can have it long here, which I don't think that this isn't going to be long enough crossbody for me. I can just tell you right now. And then you can hold up like this to do a shoulder carry. So this would be more like a short shoulder. So let me just get up on my knees so I can show you real quick. Okay, so this is what it would be just over my shoulder, like this. And then long wise, it would be here on me. Crossbody, I mean, I could, but it would be really high up. I'm 5'9" too, guys. So I'm sure shorter people, it would probably hang a little lower. But for me, it only hangs right there. So I probably wouldn't do it crossbody. If I did, it definitely wouldn't be with jackets and things on. But oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, so the back does have a clip closed pocket right there. There are no feet on the bottom. It's just, but it is a reinforced piece of leather on the bottom. As I said, this is beautiful, kind of like, it's a little bit pebbly. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a beautiful color. This right here is just for aesthetic value. It's not functional. It doesn't close the bag this way. There is a clip right here, so you just have to kind of pull it, and it does unclip. It's not that bad. Some people are saying their clips are really, really strong, which a strong clip is always a good thing. All right, it does come with a dust bag. I'm not sure why it wasn't in the dust bag, but it came. But it does come with a nice dust bag right here. And let me just get some of this off here. So they had wrapping on the tag, which I found kind of weird. But anyways, now it's just one pocket in the front there like that. And it has the inside, it's sewn in, and it's kind of like a cotton blend. It's nice, actually. It's not smooth and shiny. It's just really matte and kind of cottony. And then there is a pocket. Oh no, there isn't a pocket. I thought there was a pocket back here, but there isn't. Okay, and then there's one zipper pocket in there as well. So it is kind of a little bag, but I am really liking little bags lately. I do have a lot. I've realized I've sold a lot of my bigger bags, and now I just have little bags. So this is really, really pretty. Okay, so at the moment today, I'm using my MZ Wallace Micro Sutton. So those next to each other like that. And let me just transfer everything into this real quick so you can see how my things fit in there, and I can kind of give you an idea. So let me just kind of take this tag thing off real quick. This is going to be everything I normally carry minus my phone, because I'm actually filming on this right now. My other camera is being a pain transferring files, so I'm not using that right now. But so I have a small set piece from Jujubee. Pop that in there like that. I have some wet ones that I do take everywhere with me. Pop that in the back. Ooh, okay. I have my Vuitton key pouch in the front leather. It's my wallet. So pop that in there too. Okay, so it's kind of getting a little tight. I've got a hand sanitizer, Bath & Body Works, my keys, my key fob for the gym. For some reason, I guess I left it here last time I went to the gym, and my earpods. Now my key fob, my earpods would not normally go into my bag. unless I was taking it to the gym. So these are the two things I normally carry. And honestly, those fit just fine in there. Now, I know that my phone would fit in there because it's not very thick, so it would fit in there. But that would be about it as far as what I could carry in this bag. But that's okay because it's basically just a little handbag. I wouldn't want to carry much more than that anyways. I like how it's got two leather covered bits for your shoulder instead of just the one. So if you do want to carry it like this, which I probably will carry it a lot like this because I really like I either like it like this when I'm carrying things or crossbody because otherwise it kind of drags on my shoulder. This looks really nice, right? Like this. So yes, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so there's the nameplate on the back there. Yay. And I wanted something this color. It's just, now it does have a little bit of weight to it, of course, because all my things are in there, and it does have a lot of metal. Any bags that have metal, like lots of metal hardware will have a little bit of weight, but that doesn't matter. This is just beautiful. It's such a beautiful color. So I love it. All right, guys, what do you think? What do you think of this? Is it gorgeous? Kind of matches my outfit today. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.